Good afternoon from Ras Al Khaimah, and yes, I've got a video for you coming from a boat. There you go. You only get tours on a boat with Lucy J. Parker. So what I'm doing here is, as we approach Hayat Island, I just want to show you roughly what the projects are as we take the boat. So this project here will be Cuatro de Mari, okay? And these are buildings with apartments and duplexes, and next to it at the end here is the famous Nikki Beach Hotel. So imagine you will be able to go all the way, you know, if you're buying property in this building or any other residences that I'm going to point out now in this video, Nikki Beach is right here. Imagine what that's going to do for the price and the value of your property. And remember, the reason for Ras Al Khaimah, in case you haven't forgotten, is Wynn Hotel and Resorts Casino from Vegas is coming to Ras Al Khaimah. Gaming and casinos are now in the Gulf. This is massive news. We've got no casino and gaming region in the world apart from obviously Vegas, the US, and then Macau, Hong Kong. So imagine if you look at the globe of the world, you've got nothing in this strip all the way down, you know, the Arab world and Africa, and then India with, you know, the greatest number of billionaires in the world. So this is really going to be a massive, massive tourist destination in the years to come. And it's the Wynn Hotel and Resort and Casino that is spearheading this growth. So you want to get in with property before it appreciates. These are all properties off plan. You buy on a payment plan and you just wait and sit tight. And when you get a handover and your keys, you're going to see some incredible appreciation. And we also have townhouses and villas. I have still got second row to the beach for just over 5 million dirham, which is unheard of for a beachfront villa. Imagine buying the Palm Jumeirah 20 years ago. That's essentially what I have for you today, okay? So don't miss out. Now, as we're coming past here, this is the Cuatro de Mari project. And then as we come out to the end of Hayat Island, facing the ocean, this is going to be where the Nikki Beach Resort is. Here we have it. So you can see all this area is in huge construction. If we go the other way in my video, if you look that way, right in the distance, as far as the eye can see, is Marjan Island, where the Wynn Resort and Casino will be. And when they build the new roads and a brand new bridge, which will cut off half of the drive along Marjan Island, this will mean an 8-minute drive only to the Wynn Resort from Al Hayat Island. And I will tell you that the island next to Al Hayat, RAK Island, is going to have some incredibly luxury hotels. Don't tell anyone, but I do believe a little birdie mentioned that it might be the Armani Hotel in the Four Seasons. So again, another reason why you want to get ahead in this region at day one. This is day one, okay? So what I love as well about buying in Ras Al Khaimah is if you don't need to be located in Dubai, you don't need to buy in Dubai. You can buy in this emirate, it's way cheaper. You don't need to pay the stamp duty when you first buy. In Dubai, you need to pay a 4% stamp duty. Here, you don't. You pay that at the end when you get your keys. So that saves you a little bit at the beginning. So as we come past here on the boat, now you're going to start to see a lot more of what's happening with this coastline, okay? So this will all be here at Nikki Beach. I'm actually going to come around so you can see it. So where this pile is, that will be Nikki Beach. And then over there, you will actually have Porto Playa, which is the new Ellington project. And I do have a property with Ellington, which is a resale because that sold out on launch. And I'm just getting down because I do not want to fall off the boat on a video. So you've got Nikki Beach, then you've got Porto Playa, and there are going to be some new villas coming soon. Only a very few on the beachfront here next to Nikki Beach. So if you want to get your name down to reserve one of those, we only have a handful. I hope you're not watching this video too late because they may well have sold out. So get in touch with me very, very quickly all about those villas. They go from 17 to 24 million, okay? So as we round the peninsula, and I stayed on the boat, I didn't fall off. So here we have it. So Nikki Beach will be on this side, and then around here you'll have Porto Playa here, and behind you've got Cape Hayat, which is property. We've still got in Cape Hayat a couple of apartments and penthouses, and then you've got Porto Playa, and then over here you've got bay views and bay residences, and I still have in here actually a couple of some duplexes on the ground floor. And all of this beach area, by the way, will be developed just like JBR in Dubai. So it'll be a public beach where you have access to cafes and restaurants to really get a feel for that beach life. So all of these properties and developments will have that. Just going back to the Porto Playa project by Ellington, they also will have a private beach, okay, as well as access to the public beach. And in the very, very distance, if you squint your eyes, let me see if I can go in. Can you see some villas at the back there? Those are actually townhouses, and they're Marbella. And those townhouses, I still have a couple of those detached, starting from 4.9 million dirhams. So any properties that I'm mentioning today in this video, you've got my details at the bottom of the YouTube description, so you can just get in touch with me and ask for more details. And then as we come across here on the boat, gosh, this is quite a choppy day, and the video is now getting wet. Love it. This YouTube channel is going to become Adventures with Lucy, out and about. That's the Intercontinental Hotel at the end there, okay? So that hotel has been here quite a while. It's a really nice beach resort and cafe and restaurant. So you can always come and stay there and get a feel for what this island is going to become in the future. And that's an old resort as well. So anything you see there is obviously a little bit antiquated yet. But now let's just quickly, one more time, pan along Hayat Island. You can see the buildings again. So that's bay residences, bay views. Then you're going to have Porto Playa there. You're going to have the NB Villas. You're going to have Nikki Beach. Behind it, Quattro di Mare. Behind that is Cape Hayat. And then behind that are the detached. They're all behind this Intercontinental. You're going to have the Marbella villas and townhouses. And there you have it. On this video, before I fall off the boat, that will probably make the numbers of viewers go up incredibly here. But thank you so much for watching this video, and any information you want on Ras Al Khaimah, what's coming, villas, townhouses especially, I do also have access to apartments, let me know. Thank you so much for watching, and don't miss out on Ras Al Khaimah. Many of you may have missed out investing in other projects, other opportunities because you weren't sure. I'm telling you now, this is day one. Don't miss out. Take care.